How to see all games you played on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For that, you need to launch your Roblox application in your device. If not, you can open up a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Over here, make sure that you are logged in into your account if you have not yet. To find out your most recently played games or all the games that you played, it is pretty simple. Once you are logged in into your Roblox account, in your home page, you need to scroll down until you see the section of Continue Playing. Here you will find all of the games that you have played. If you select on the See All button, you'll be able to find all of the game that you recently played or your play history. You can tap on the drop down icon to pick a category as well if you wish to. And that is how you can easily check out all the games you played on Roblox. If this feature is unavailable for you, that means that your Roblox is not up to date. For that, visit the Roblox website and update it accordingly. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.